The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6 o'clock a.m. At 5:02 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mukwanago to near Elkhorn, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant to Prairie, Sturdivant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Wind Lake, Camp Lake, Rochester, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Boners Lake, Waterford North, Eagle Lake, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Caledonia, and Salem. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special Marine